Millionaires don't buy motorhomes for novelty. They buy them for control, for privacy, for the ability to move without relying on hotels, schedules, or anyone else's definition of comfort. This motorhome is built for that mindset. From the outside, it presents itself with a strong, composed presence. The matte gray exterior, dark glass, and sharp geometry give it a confident identity, one that feels modern, restrained, and deliberate. It doesn't try to look playful or extravagant. It looks serious, premium, and purposeful. This motorhome is designed to be compact where it needs to be and luxurious where it matters. Every decision is made with real-world use in mind. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how connected everything feels. There are no oversized rooms, no wasted corridors, and no awkward separations. Instead, the interior flows as one continuous space, where each zone blends naturally into the next. This isn't a house placed on wheels. It's a vehicle-first interior designed for movement, comfort, and balance. The lounge is the central living area and sets the tone for the entire interior. It's compact, but it doesn't feel tight. Integrated sofas line the space, upholstered in dark gray fabric with black structural accents. The seating is designed to feel relaxed and supportive, perfect for long drives, quiet evenings, or casual conversations. At the center sits a single table, small, clean, and intentional. Nothing extra, no clutter. At night, the lounge becomes calm and intimate, making it an ideal place to unwind after a long journey. Moving inward, the bedroom area is designed as a compact sleep zone rather than a separate room. This approach keeps the interior cohesive while maintaining comfort. The bed is realistic in size and proportion, integrated directly into the floor platform for stability. It feels grounded and secure, exactly what you want inside a moving vehicle. Gray bedding with layered textures and dark accent cushions gives the bed a cozy, inviting look without breaking the interior's color palette. The headboard is padded and integrated into the wall, adding softness and comfort. Underbed lighting creates a subtle glow that adds depth to the space, while the ceiling above introduces a refined design element. Sculpted ceiling panels follow the motorhome's geometry, with golden-orange LED lighting embedded within them. The effect is warm, calming, and visually interesting without being distracting. This is a bedroom designed for rest, not display. Beside the sleeping area, the dressing zone continues the same design language seamlessly. Instead of a walk-in closet, you get a compact, highly functional prep space integrated into the wall. Full-height wardrobes in dark gray provide hanging space for clothes, with tinted panels that offer privacy while still feeling light. Drawers below handle folded items and accessories efficiently. A small vanity area is built directly into the storage wall, complete with a backlit mirror and a compact stool that slides neatly underneath. It's a practical space for getting ready, designed to feel personal and comfortable without occupying unnecessary space. Everything here is sized correctly for a motorhome, reinforcing the idea that luxury doesn't need excess. The kitchen reflects the same philosophy of realism and precision. This is a compact galley designed to be used every day. Dark gray cabinetry blends into the wall, creating a clean and unified appearance. The matte black countertop runs smoothly along the length of the kitchen, housing a built-in 2-burner stove and a compact sink. Both are flush-mounted to keep the surface clean and organized. On the countertop, a few carefully placed items, a coffee machine, cups, and basic utensils, make the space feel lived in. Nothing looks staged or artificial. Opposite the galley, a small dining table provides seating for two. Instead of traditional chairs, compact stools slide neatly underneath, maintaining clear floor space. This setup is ideal for quick meals, morning coffee, or casual work sessions. Lighting in the kitchen remains warm and controlled. Golden-orange LED strips under the cabinets illuminate the work surface without harsh brightness, keeping the space cozy and functional at the same time. The office area is designed for focus without isolation. Integrated into the interior layout, it features a compact built-in desk finished in matte black. The chair is ergonomic but minimal, upholstered in dark gray to match the rest of the interior. Storage shelves and drawers keep laptops, documents, and essentials organized. Task lighting above the desk provides just enough illumination for work, while ambient lighting keeps the area visually connected to the rest of the motorhome. A partial panel offers privacy when needed, without closing the space off completely. It's an office designed for efficiency, quiet, practical, and comfortable. The bathroom is a fully enclosed space, offering real privacy. A solid door separates it from the rest of the motorhome, making it feel like a proper small room rather than an open corner. Inside, the design remains consistent: dark gray walls, black fixtures, and warm lighting. The shower is enclosed with black framed glass, while the compact vanity and sink are positioned for ease of use. A backlit mirror adds both function and atmosphere. Everything is arranged carefully to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. This is a bathroom that feels intentional, not improvised. One of the standout features of this motorhome is the mini spa. Designed as a compact wellness zone, it features a built-in soaking basin sized for one person. Dark materials surround the space, and golden orange lighting creates a calming glow. Underwater lighting adds a subtle visual effect, making the spa feel relaxing and private. This isn't a large spa meant for entertainment. It's a personal space designed for quiet moments, perfect after a long drive or a demanding day. It reinforces the idea that luxury is about how a space makes you feel, not how big it looks. At the front, the cockpit completes the experience. The driver's area is clean, functional, and comfortable. The dashboard layout is intuitive, with controls placed exactly where they need to be. Captain seats provide support for long journeys, while subtle accent lighting keeps the environment calm and focused. The panoramic windshield opens the road ahead, reinforcing the sense of freedom that defines this motorhome. Everything here feels familiar, yet refined, designed for confidence rather than spectacle. This motorhome isn't built for mass appeal. It's built for people who understand the value of independence. For millionaires and high-net-worth individuals who prefer their own space, their own schedule, and their own standards of comfort. Pricing reflects that exclusivity, and ownership is intended to be limited. This isn't about escaping life. It's about carrying your lifestyle with you, quietly, comfortably, and on your own terms. So if you had the keys today, where would you take it first?